I added milk to the onion. It's look better than outback. Let's start by cutting the onion into very thin slices. And that's done, just peel off all the onion. Then just move to a container. And add 200 ml of milk. And another 200 ml of water. Just add a little more milk and a little more water to cover the onion. Let's cover this container with plastic wrap or a lid if that container has it. Now just take it to the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. After that time, let's uncap it. Take some of this onion and put in a container with a little flour. Mix everything very well until these slices are well breaded. Then pass everything to a sieve and remove all excess flour. And then just put to fry in hot oil. This type is to use a very deep pan because the oil tends to foam and rise. Now just let it fry, and during the process just stir a little so that the onion is all evenly fried and doesn't stick together. When it starts to brown, the state is already perfect. Now just remove and let the oil drain on a paper towel. And guys, look how amazing it looks. There's no way to resist. Do it at your house, that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.